Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I need to put about u equal to 3000t. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 3000 dt dv, that is about this one. The integration of this one, we have v equals to negative 1 over 0.06 e to the power of negative 0.06t. So we have u multiplied by v, so we have 3000 multiplied by negative 1 over 0.06, and we have 50,000 with the negative sign here, and we have t e to the power of negative 0.06 t, and we need to put the bounds from 0 to number 5. And we have the negative sign here. We have the u multiplied by v, so we have 3000 divided by 0.06. So because we have the negative sign here, so you got about positive 50,000. And we have the integration from 0 to number 5. And we have e to the power of negative 0.06 t dt. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of negative 0.06 t over negative 0.06, and we put the bounds from 0 to number 5. And now we have the final answer. So I will put number 5 in here, number 0 in here, number 5 in here, number 0 in here. This one we have negative 250,000. This one we have negative 0.3. This one you got about 0 in here. This one you got about negative 0.3. 50,000 divided by negative 0.6. And we have 2,500,000 over 3. And we have the negative sign here. Similar for the next one. This one you got about 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.